Hello everybody, welcome to FreshWorks HQ 2.0. We're going to give you a quick tour of what's going on so far. First, you will start by letting yourself in with your handy key fob that you've given on day one. Shannon will be sure to take care of that. You would then come in, and if you're the riding type, you would have a nice bicycle storage available for you. We put that in special because we know how much Sam likes to ride his bike to work. Entering into the highly secure lobby area, you'll notice the first of the bathrooms. This is bathroom number 1, 9 or 10 I think, so you should never have a problem there. We'll see some more on the way. Coming into the building, normally you would have had a video doorbell that would be very handy for letting guests and delivery people in to the neighborhood. The elevator capacity is going to be 1 at a time to begin with because we are being very conscious of hygiene, especially post-COVID quarantine, trying to do our part. So there are stairwells on the north and the south end of the building. North is for going up, south is going to be for coming down. But I'll meet you on floor 2 and show you around. Oh, those stairs must have been pretty quick. I'm going to pass you over to Shannon, who's going to show you around the second floor of the office.
Perfect. I'm going to give you guys a bit of an overview of the second floor, as Desmond just said. It's pretty similar to what you're going to see on the third and the fourth floor. And so here we go. This is going to be the workstation areas. You can see we've got pods. They're going to be project pods, just like we had in the past office. We've set everybody up in project teams. Yes, there is a seating plan, and yes, you will get it after demo day. We have standing desks for everybody, so we're really excited about that. And we also have some information on how to properly use those. We have co-working spaces on every floor, so sometimes you'll see them in the kitchen, sometimes you'll see them when you come up the elevator, and there's coffee stations on every floor as well in varying sizes. So you'll have pretty much everything you need to start your day and to have your coffee breaks. So that would be a mini fridge, which will have, of course, milk and all that kind of stuff. We've got the coffee machine, a brand new water machine on every floor, dishwasher, microwave. I mean, I'm going really into the details here. So you got everything you need. Something I'm very excited about is every floor has, if not one, but mostly 2 washrooms. So if you come down here, there'll be 2 washrooms here, and eventually we're gonna have coat racks over here as well. So again, very identical on every floor. So that is gonna be really easy for you guys to get yourself around. But Desmond has some other things to show you. So we're gonna bring you over to another co-working space and the lovely lounge that Desmond's enjoying.
Oh, does that mean I'm gonna have to get out of this oh so comfy lounge chair? I guess so. Well, why don't we do so we can show you some of the private meeting rooms that are available for everybody, complete with so convenient automatic lighting that comes on. So nice private workspace, a phone booth, whatever you need to do with it, but built for one. We have other rooms on every floor, such as this one. Table's not here yet, but those ones are going to be built for anywhere between 6 and 8 people. And the third meeting room, again, this is just one floor of the 3 rooms, built for 2 people for nice private conversations. And the last one, just for this one floor, is a huddle room. Again, whiteboards are going to be in every room. There'll be at least one video conferencing room on every single floor with a Zoom room in it. And this one would normally have a nice huddle table, but again, not here yet. I think we still want to show everybody to the 5th floor?
Yeah, let's take to the 5th floor.
All right.
We'll take the stairs.
I'll take the elevator, one at a time. So, even though the 5th floor is going to be shut down for the month of June, of course we are trying to limit access to the communal spaces given the current circumstances. There's a lot of cool stuff up here that we wanted to show you. And ultimately, if you wanted to visit Sam, Shannon, or Sophia, this space will still be open for reception, Sam's office, and HR office over here. One of the coolest places to show you is going to be the fancy new boardroom. Again, table has yet to arrive, as well as the dual TV video conferencing setup. but obviously the views from up top are pretty spectacular, as you see, kind of glass all the way around. Also, given that we tend to like throwing a lot of events around here, we decided that it would probably be appropriate to create a space that can open right up with some boardroom tables that will all slide to the side to create one large meeting area. We also have some more stuff in the upstairs kitchen that I think Shannon would like to tell you about.
Yeah, this is where we are eventually going to have our fresh chef, who's going to be working 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. every day, be able to make smoothies, coffee on our espresso machine. I think we can go to weekly crepes, which is really exciting. So if you see this sign on, you'll know that the fresh chef is here and ready to serve. Beer on tap. We have actually 2 spouts. We can get 2 different types of beer. And we have a fridge for all the communal stuff and then a fridge for all the employee stuff. So you can always bring your lunch up here and come join. We've also got a lovely patio space. And we have a barbecue, which just needs to be built. So we all can come hang out here on beautiful days like today. And then if we head back in, if we're looking for a space to eat, we've got stools right here up at the counter on the island. We also have spaces all along here. So we're actually getting all of this upholstered. And there'll be little tables here. And if we come around the corner, there'll be bigger tables here so you can actually sit with a coworker and enjoy a meal or work, whatever you'd like to do.
It looks like the open door policy is still in effect for HR, so let's say hi to Shannon.
Hey, feel free to come visit anytime. We can physically distance in this office.
Oh, perfect. And the last stop on today's quick tour would be the top floor corner office, as one would hope, to visit Sam.
Hi everyone, I hope you liked FreshWorks 2.0 because I haven't honestly worked anything on it. The person making the video and Shannon and Sean and Rohit and Desmond and a lot of hard work has gone into making this a reality, and I can't wait for us to be all here one day, all safe together. Thank you.